is how I roll tonight. I am indulging in a small glass of wine. Like, yay. I don't drink that much alcohol. And when I do, it's usually about yay much, once in a while. And tonight feels like a good night for this. Mom, I need some wine tonight. So what have I been doing tonight? Or today? Well, for one, I have been cleaning my refrigerator. Getting ready for all the Christmas stuff. Actually got some of it here already. All that butter is for baking for Christmas, and there's stuff back here to make Christmas dishes. But as you can see, it's still a lot. And I got all this dressing and I don't know. My refrigerator is always full of that stuff for some reason. Didn't clean the door, though. Should do that as well. It's a bit messy. I've cleaned the rest of it. And you know, those boxes, those two, always get messy. So coming up next, aside from the refrigerator door, will be the freezer below. Because I discovered today that was frozen shut. This one opens. This one does not. It's stuck. So I need to do something about that. I've also finished up my gingerbread house. And I'm just waiting for my 14-year-old to finish up his. But yeah, mine is done and in place. Let me show you.